Good morning to all of you. Today I am going to tell you something very important. From today, we are going to start a new journey. This journey will take you the world of English. You know, I hope all of you know with the translation because we put when we think about to learn English, we always try to put effort to learn the translation process. And after some time, we see we are perfect in translation, but we cannot speak English. What is the reason? The reason is this कि we are putting the effort in a wrong direction. If we want to learn English speaking, we need to speak English. We need to do practice a lot. We need to follow the effort in a right direction. We need to choose the right way. And do you know the right way to learn any language, not only English, but I am talking about all other languages, is what? To accept an approach, that is what? LSRW. Now, many of you think that what is LSRW? LSRW means listening. If you want to learn any language, the first thing which you have to do, you have to listen. You have to listen as much as possible. Now, you know, no need to do anything. You have to only listen whether you are understanding or not understanding. No matter at all. Simply, you have to make 10 to 15 minutes daily your habit to listen English. Yeah, all of you know that. We know Hindi, we speak Hindi. I am not saying we know Hindi. We speak Hindi. Still, we don't know the Hindi grammar. Many of us speak Hindi incorrectly. But still, there is no problem. We never hesitate to speak Hindi because from childhood we are listening Hindi every time. Not only 10 to 15 minutes, I can say 24 hours. We are listening it. We are listening it. And now without any effort, we can speak Hindi also. Simply, when we talk about other languages, if we want to learn for French, if we want to learn German, if we want to learn English, first we put our effort to learn grammar. And grammar is the last part. The first part is listening. That's why our approach is wrong. So now the first is listening and second part is speaking. Now you will say without grammar how can we speak? Speak wrong English. No problem at all. Speaking means only communications. So if you want to say something, if you want to express your idea, if the listener are able to understand you, it's okay. Mistakes are very common. When we start anything new, it's a very common thing to mistake. So don't afraid of mistakes. You have to speak wrong English. Start from wrong English. And it will be beneficial for you. And third part is what? Writing. Listening, speaking, and also we have to give 10 to 15 minutes for writing section. Why I am saying this? Because writing will be help you to understand grammar. Writing will be help you to create new ideas. Writing will be help you to engage new words, new vocabulary. So, and the best thing is to write one page, your daily routine. What did you do particular day write. And sometime if you got a topic, if you can write, then reading. Reading is the third part, writing is the last part. So reading also, because when we read, then we can write. So reading is the third part. So reading means whatever your interest. If your interest in stories, read story books. If you have interest in, you can say, sports, read something about sports. So read it. Reading is very essential part, because when we read, we see how the sentence is structured. Grammar is nothing, only to learn where to use which word. What is the right place to put a word? Suppose if you want to speak, दिल्ली भारत की राजधानी है. If you say Delhi, then India, then capital H. No sentences, because there is no structure. So when we read something, we can know about the structure of the particular sentence. So reading, and the last is writing. I have already discussed about writing. So this is the first video of my channel. I hope all of you will support me and subscribe it, because if you subscribe it, it will give motivation to me, and I will put some more useful videos for you. Okay, thank you.